You must be aware of the ongoing TikTok controversy around the world. Well, let me enlighten you if you are not. This Chinese app, TikTok, has conquered its space on almost every smartphone. People of every age group are using it recklessly. However, TikTok is not safe. TikTok might be actually stealing your data. Yes, you heard it right. Stealing your data. This app is alleged to be intruding into your privacy. And this is the reason US Army, Navy, and Marines have banned soldiers from using the app. With so many security flaws, it looks like TikTok will be history soon. Well, this is the opportunity for all the business minds out there. You can create your own version of TikTok and give your country a safer and better app. But the question is, how can you do it? Well, an Indian-based software development company, AppScript, is doing it for you. AppScript has developed a TikTok clone software, Doubly, that has world-class features like watch videos in full screen, record videos in full screen, edit videos post-recording, post videos, post and edit photos, explore and advanced search, wide range of sounds to dub, share stories, YouTube-like channels, chat in real time. Wow, I'm so loving it already. Hold on, it doesn't end here. It has more to offer. Certified profiles. Hell yeah. Business posts. Businesses can add links to their products, and these links will lead you to web pages. Secret chat. Once the message is read, it will automatically be deleted. Wow. Audio and HD video calling is powered by WebRTC, an absolute mandate to provide uninterrupted conversations. Go live. Perfect to stay close to your followers. Also, you can relive this by saving it. Earn money. Interesting. All virtual gifts have a coin value, and each coin has a value in dollar. That means you can earn real money and save in your money wallet. Also, since the money is real, you can withdraw it. Send money. So easy. Send money on chat or using QR code. Entrepreneurs. This is the software you are waiting for. This can actually help you go indigenous and innovative. AppScript has done a great job. AppScript is ranked among the top 500 high-growth firms in the Asia-Pacific region by Financial Times. Hence, no trust issues. So folks, what are you waiting for? Go grab this opportunity.